kumuku'ai means price. So ke kumuku'ai, the price, right? The one price. Na kumuku'ai means the prices. Okay, so it just makes it helu nui. It makes it more than one. Next example is kahua'ai. Yeah, kahua'ai, the one fruit. Yeah, na hua'ai, the fruits. Okay, it makes it plural. Meikai, ke koneko, the one donut. Na koneko, the donuts. Ko or kau mea ai, depending on whether it's a kino o or kino a. Your food versus na mea ai, yeah, the foods or the various types of food, yeah, na mea ai. And we have ko'u or ka'u, ia, my fish, depending on whether it's O class or A class, yeah. And then, of course, we have the helu nui, na ia, right, the fishes. Okay, so there's a quick review of the ka'i na.